colleagues and distinguished participants, greetings from Geneva. It's my pleasure to address this important conference on advancing ocean governance for a sustainable future, and in particular, focusing on the role of international law. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the organizers, including Dr. James Nedumpada, the WTO chairholder in India, for the invitation. The WTO Chairs Program is a key part of the WTO's capacity building effort. It's aimed at disseminating knowledge about the multilateral trading system among academics and policymakers, particularly in developing countries. This conference is a great example of how sharing knowledge and fostering dialogue can empower policymakers to make informed decisions and design better policies. I should also take this opportunity to showcase the WTO as an exciting place to work and contribute to improving the trading system. I encourage students in the audience to visit our website and explore the opportunities at the WTO. We're constantly seeking out the best and brightest talent. Let me now turn to one of the most pressing challenges we face. The ocean is central to the health of our planet and the well-being of billions, with fisheries and aquaculture playing a vital role in global food security and economic stability. Yet, despite their importance, marine fisheries are under immense pressure. Harmful fisheries subsidies, estimated at $22 billion per year, are responsible for the continued deterioration of our precious marine fisheries resources, threatening the livelihood and food security of so many millions globally. We're witnessing a crisis of this global commons. At the WTO's 12th Ministerial Conference in June 2022, ministers took a significant step forward towards addressing this pressing challenge by adopting the WTO Agreement on Fisheries Subsidies, the first WTO agreement with environmental and economic sustainability at its core. The agreement contributes towards achieving SDG 14.6 by prohibiting subsidies to illegal fishing, fishing of overfished stocks, and fishing in the unregulated high seas. The agreement is firmly embedded within the broader international legal framework for ocean governance. In particular, it specifically recognizes and respects the jurisdiction, rights, and obligations of WTO members under international law, including the law of the sea. It works in synergy with regional fisheries management organizations, which play a key role in setting conservation and management measures. And it complements the Port State Measures Agreement in fighting illegal fishing. The agreement brings significant resources and international collaboration to bear. The WTO Fish Fund is designed to assist developing countries that have formally accepted the agreement to implement its obligations and improve fisheries management. It also leverages cooperation with other organizations, such as FAO and the World Bank. These partnerships will ensure implementation efforts complement existing initiatives, creating a comprehensive approach to global fisheries management and fisheries subsidies. However, for the Agreement on Fisheries Subsidies to start delivering its benefits for ocean sustainability, it must enter into force as soon as possible. For this to happen, 2/3 of WTO members, that is 111 out of 166 WTO members, must ratify and formally deposit their instruments of acceptance of the agreement. As I record this statement, 94 of those 111 instruments have been deposited, leaving us just 17 to go. It's essential for all remaining WTO members to finalize their domestic processes and take this formal action. Many are aiming to do so in the coming weeks, and we hope to celebrate entry into force at the upcoming UN Ocean Conference in Nice in June. Meanwhile, WTO members have been working hard to conclude the second wave of fisheries subsidies negotiations. These negotiations aim to build on the progress made in 2022 and develop additional disciplines on subsidies that contribute to overcapacity and overfishing. Concluding these negotiations is urgent to defend fish stocks and marine ecosystems against unsustainable subsidies while protecting small-scale and artisanal fishers. Let me conclude by calling upon WTO members to ratify the Fisheries Subsidies Agreement as soon as possible to boost the blue economy, protect marine resources, improve food security, and secure a sustainable future for the hundreds of millions of fishers and communities dependent on the ocean. WTO chairs play a key role in highlighting the benefits of the agreement and the importance of swift action to policymakers, and we count on your support. Thank you, and I wish you a productive conference.